my cash right. My gas simple, look like your hair right. I don't know if this got the bigger tank than the Honda Civic that I had in the past, right? I had that 2009 Honda Civic, alright, 8 inches fine. Had the put little turbo on that bitch before the engine blew. You know it was fine. But yeah, I'm back. Alright, y'all, another day, another sesh. It's your boy, Yardrich. Ready to go to the gas station right quick and get me a Black and Mild. Figure I'd bring y'all with me, POV style. I know you guys like those videos, so. Ooh, I just POV style. Let me make sure that y'all can see what I see. Let me see what we got going on. I think that's it right there. Quick little POV style. Trying to get my cameraing, my footage and all that good shit popping. But yeah, I'm gonna talk to y'all. First of all, how's the view? Are we in 4K? Are we looking good? Are we sounding good? I know y'all can hear my squeaky clutch and all that good jazz. But welcome to the channel. It's another day, another sesh. It's your boy Yardrich. I am in the 07 Honda Accord 7th gen 5-speed with the K24 series motor. Now, the dealer told me it had a swap Acura TSX motor, but I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't think it is. So, you know, plans with the motor just off the bat, I would like to get bigger cams, better pistons, things like that, do a valve adjustment. I already got a cold air intake underneath, or a short ram intake underneath the hood. However, you know, a lot of things have been done on this car that I just simply didn't do. And I'm the type that likes to, I don't know, I like to do a lot of the work myself on these cars. That way, I know for 100% sure that everything on this car fucking Gucci. You know what I'm saying? I just recently did the axles. Y'all saw that in another video. I did the axles. I did the brake, just pads for right now because the rotors did look good, and I kind of resurfaced them while I had the wheels off the car. Yeah, man, it's not much right now. I'm looking for a strut tower, that way I can stiffen up the chassis a little bit up front. But other than that, man, we good, bruh. Just want to give y'all some more video, more content for the YouTube algorithm. But I don't know what's going on with my goddamn service. I ain't got nothing right now. No songs, no nada. No songs, no nada. This shit probably gonna be bright. I hope it's not gonna be too bright, y'all. Yeah, YouTube just ain't working, B. That was weird. Okay, so that's definitely, I'm on the new Android 13 beta, so that's definitely an issue that needs to be fixed, which is sometimes this bitch works, sometimes this bitch don't work. And here smell like straight gas. Like, I swear to God, I just smell straight weed, bruh. Don't get me wrong, you know, I love the way my shit be smelling, but you know what I'm saying, B. I'm not gonna park up front this time. I'll park right here. You see the miles on that bad boy. All right, y'all, so look, I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna take this off and then I'll be back.
Water with a bag when he come over the can. And I think what you did, you better think like a man. Tried to plug in Atlanta, he was calling me twin. I stood on the right, now I'm the nigga that sin. Let it die down a little bit, then do it again. Jumping that water, you been like you can't swim. That's how I survive, you gon' die, you too thin. A lot of niggas be talking with loose lip. Hit a black rocket ice with some blue strip. Mark 19 with a drum and his shoes slip. I get your own click, cause we don't recruit here, bitch. I'm at work in Da Vinci, no days off. Quick clutch like you hard in the playoff. We swing the stick in the field, but I'm played off. I put it in the grind and the time up and pay out. Big lot of shots up and fire on the big nigga. Went from sleeping on floors to chinchilla. New house with a man, make a fix dinner. At the house for the money, I been in. Sippin' drink, I'ma need a new kidney. Go get a frisbee, I promise you spin it. Young nigga 16, he a ditch digger. Scat pack off the lot, we put sticks in it.
turn this shit down. Y'all see me driving POV style. We gonna have a dickhead in front of me that don't want to get the fuck out of the way. You see this shit moving, bitch? Could do it, but I ain't even gonna bother with that shit. Ooh, bitch ass niggas, boy. I be trying to just cruise, listen to my tunes and shit. You know what I'm saying? Niggas just be like, oh, let's get in front of this nigga and slow down. The fuck is wrong with these niggas, man? But yeah, I'm bad. You know what I'm saying? I see what it is. Crib in the cut though, you know what I'm saying? Pull up, you gonna get shot, you know what I'm saying? That's all I'm gonna say. But you know what it is. Another day, another sesh. We up in the building though, you know what I'm saying? We back. You see the crib though, looking nice. Hey, I got your little bitch pop me dick. She want to sit, she want to spit. Like, tell that bitch don't talk real slick. Like a kick, like a blick, like a hit you with the clip. Like, anybody explain why my gas right? My gas limit look like your hair right. I don't know if this got the bigger tank than the Honda Civic that I had in the past, right? I had that 2009 Honda Civic, alright, 8 and it's fine. Had the put little turbo on that bitch before the engine blew, you know it was fine. But yeah, I'm back, y'all. Back at the crib, you know what I'm saying? Upload and edit this video for y'all. Appreciate y'all for tuning in, watching the show. Just trying to be consistent, keep getting y'all content, man. I got the gaming channel, I got the reaction channel, I got the walking channel, and I got this channel. So if you missed something on this channel, subscribe to my other channels. That way you already know if, okay, he didn't upload a DaSesh Gang video on the car channel, check out the gaming channel. I'm pretty sure I've been gaming. We out.